What's up, guys? It's Ron. I'm here with Byron Outdoor Superstore, and they told me that I could do a video on whatever I wanted, so no doubt I chose the YZ250 two-stroke. This is one of my favorite motorcycles, and guys, Yamaha's been making this thing since 1974. They know what they're doing. The 250 two-stroke is just the ultimate bike, whether you're on the track, whether you're bike life. I mean, the simplicity of it, but it has so much power. The aluminum frame. People keep asking me why I keep taking all these Huskies in on trade. It's probably because the Husky uses a chromoly steel frame. Yamaha uses an aluminum frame. Some people say the stiffness of the aluminum allows the bike to wheelie a lot better. But just look at this gorgeous machine. As you can see, the exhaust chamber. As you can see down here, the rooster booster is blue. Like I said, man, I'm back. YZ250 two-stroke. It is in stock. Guys, for real, y'all call me if y'all need anything. I'm in sales. I do this every day, and I've done this for a very long time. Once again, thank you for all your support. Please comment on below on what you'd like to see next. Thanks a lot.